Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in Subaru Forester, updated. Start by locating the low side service port under the hood and removing its cap, then attach the gauge hose securely. Check system pressure while the engine is idle, noting readings against ambient temperature charts. If pressures indicate low charge, follow safe refrigerant handling steps, top off slowly, and recheck pressures to avoid overcharging the system. Before you recharge, always prioritize safety and proper access to the service port. Open the hood, find the low side port near the AC lines, and inspect for corrosion or damage. Clean the port area to prevent contaminants entering the system, then remove the cap and verify the fitting matches your hose. Securely fasten connections and keep hands clear of moving parts before proceeding with pressure checks and refrigerant transfer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more car DIY tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy companion while cars cool down in the driveway. It makes waiting less boring. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the engine running and AC on max, monitor the low side gauge while releasing refrigerant slowly. Use short bursts to prevent liquid slugging and check the evaporator inlet temperature for proper cooling response. Pause often to let pressures stabilize, aiming for manufacturer pressure ranges based on ambient conditions. Stop adding refrigerant when pressures and temperatures match expected values, then remove the hose and replace the service port cap securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.